What is going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media back with another video. So today we'll be installing a new oil cap on the Mitsubishi Lancer turbo build. We have this Ralliart oil cap. If you guys don't know, I love to collect my rare parts, and that extends to oil caps. So over here I have a few rare oil caps. We have this ARC oil cap, very nice. This is the Honda Nissan thread pitch. So this is the ARC oil cap. It is a Honda Nissan thread pitch. Really nice and rare. We also have this one right here. Also a Honda Nissan thread pitch. I actually have two of these, the Gen 1 oil caps. ARC shift knob. We also picked up this pretty cool veil sight. Well, it says turbocharger on here, but this is a veil sight oil cap. Also Honda Nissan thread pitch. Initially, I thought that the thread pitch would be the same for the Evo 10. As you guys know, Evo 10's thread pitch is a little bit weird. It's not the same as the Evo 1 to 9. Anyways, I did pick up this Ralliart oil cap, which I did unbox a little while back. Original box, discontinued, I believe. I had it shipped from overseas, really rare. If you guys are wondering where I get some of these rare oil caps, you just have to keep looking on like forums or Facebook pages or Instagram pages, because these things are discontinued, which means they are rare and it's hard to find even if you do want to buy them. Alright, I am here in the garage. We have all the cars just hanging out here. My brother's Supra is pretty dirty. He driven it, he took it on a cruise with some friends and haven't washed it down yet. But turning around here, we have my Mitsubishi Lancer GT. So like I said, we'll be swapping it out with the new Ralliart oil cap. Pretty excited. Currently, if you guys are wondering what oil cap I do have, we do have a Chasing J's titanium oil cap. So goes well with the other titanium goodies in the engine bay. However, you guys know I'm always on the hunt for rare JDM parts. So yeah, let's go ahead and remove that oil cap. Make sure this one fits. Alright, so let's go ahead and do a little unboxing. If you guys are wondering why this box is like that, it's not in the greatest condition, but it is just a box. Like I said, previous owner had it on the car, I think just for a show. Really nice and rare, discontinued part. And if you guys have to know how much I paid a little much for an oil cap, a couple $100. But with these rare discontinued parts, you don't really have a choice. If you really want it, like I said, they're discontinued, so you pretty much pay for what they ask for. So on here, it says Spirit of Competition, Ralliart. Very cool. Alright, Chasing J's one just come right off. Lefty loosey. I've had this on the car for a couple years now. Very nice oil cap. Goes in with all the titanium goodies. But I figured, you know what, might as well try on the new Ralliart oil cap. Here's a little comparison on both oil caps, the Ralliart versus the Chasing J's one. Like I say, both really nice. I just wanted to swap it out for a change. So let's go ahead and throw on the new Ralliart oil cap. And bam, there we have it, new Ralliart oil cap. Nice little detail right here. I like that the logo is facing us. Seals nice and tight. It does have the rubber gasket as well. So yeah, what do you guys think? Nice little addition. Like I said, with car shows, it's all in the little details. So I'm glad I have this little piece on. Rare part. I also recently added this Project Mu brake fluid cap. So like I said, small little touches to the engine bay. Alright, so yeah, for the Mitsubishi Lancer show build, like I said, I don't see this car all that much because she sits here at the family house, and that's also why. Always have it hooked up to a battery tender. If you guys live in a state or a country with really cold winters, or you don't drive your car that much, I would recommend getting a battery tender. You just hook it up to the battery and let it charge, so that way your battery stays nice and full. cranks up each time. My SI sitting outside has been not driven for like a month or so, maybe a month or two. When I tried to start it up, it almost didn't start on me, versus this car cranks right up because of the battery tender. So I would recommend it. It's about 50 bucks or so, not too expensive. Brother Supra is chilling here in the garage as well. So yeah, I think next up for this Mitsubishi Lancer build are those custom headlights. So I did get new headlights a little while back. It's been a couple months, and the plan is the current VLAN headlights will be going on my Ralliart. We have new headlights here, so pretty excited to throw these on. These do have some custom show mode as well, and like I said, we'll be having a separate video on that. But these existing VLAN headlights will be coming off, going on to my Ralliart daily driver. To take off the headlights, you do have to remove the whole front bumper. So like I said, I'll have a separate video removing the bumper, taking off the headlights. I also did have some wiring stuff done, so I do have to remove all these wiring stuff. So yeah, gonna leave that for a separate day. Also, I know I don't drive this car all that much, but whenever I do have a lot of fun. One of the previous videos, I did take it out recently after not driving it for over a month. And sure, it's not the fastest car, but yeah, just those blow valve sounds, the turbo sounds, just such an aggressive car, such almost like an art piece to me, if you guys know what I mean. I've been building this car for a few years. I've owned it for 7 years. It's brand new, the only owner, and I'm just so proud to see how far the car has came over these past few years with me. So yeah, I feel like your car is definitely an extension of you as a person. I like to modify my cars a certain way, and I feel like it's so aggressive. It's just a work of art, my masterpiece. And the plan is I'll be having my S2000 as aggressive and complete like this build someday as well. Alright, so simple little video. I'm gonna wrap it up here. I hope you guys like it. Like I say, when I'm here at the family house, I hope to make as much content as I can for you guys. If you guys stay to the end, make sure to leave a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe if you're new to the channel. Thanks so much, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.